Yo, this is kind of wild, but I wanted to point it out because, yeah. So if you go to the vidIQ page and look at the comment section stats, this is crazy, right? When Brett left, they had 4.52 million subs. So a little over 4.5 million. In less than a month, they have lost 400,000 subscribers, dude. Since Brett has left, it went from 4.52 million to 4.15. Yikes. I really don't know why they didn't just shut this channel down. I don't know why they didn't just shut it down and start something new with Reagan. What's also crazy to see is they earn anywhere between $70,000 to $211,000 a month from the channel. So I'm guessing Brett wasn't making very much of that, and she probably found out and wanted to make more. And Daily Wire is probably like, no, bro, $70,000 a month is crazy. But $211,000 a month, man, yeah, that's a lot, bro. Yeah, I just wanted to look at that. Wow, look at that. The latest video they dropped. Did Selena Gomez settle for Benny? What? What a weird video title. Only 60,000 views, 1.8 thousand likes, but ratioed by 2.8 thousand comments. Oh man, that's not good either. Google Earth memories. How to unlock childhood memories on Google Maps. Look at that. Not even 50,000 views. 2.2K likes, but 2.3K comments. Oh man, it's all a ratio. It's all a ratio. Oh, that one's an even worse ratio. What ending daylight saving times would I should do? What they removed that video? December 21st. Oh, maybe it was this one. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at the stats over here. Can I I want to go further in them. Yeah, anyways, crazy, bro. That's got to be one of the dumbest moves I've seen in a very long time when it comes to, I don't know, I just don't understand why Daily Wire would have made such a move. It was drastic, bro. It was so dumb. It was so dumb. They should have just paid Brett more. They really should have, because they would have ended up making more money anyways. But I mean, none of us know the full story, so hopefully Brett will tell us. But I don't know, maybe she can't. But yeah, crazy. They've lost like 400,000 subscribers in less than a month. That's yeah, super crazy.